I just went to her house.
Yeah, and we went back to her house.
Yeah.
So
Look, I didn't finish all of the.
Now, 1 minute. 1 minute.
I didn't finish the coloring, but it looks so beautiful.
What? Okay, you got open it.
And it looks so cute.
Which one you want?
I really want the special one, guys. Pink and purple.
Yeah, what is ink?
It feels like something that like open. There's a big hole, but you can't look at it. Just rip it. It's okay. I'll make another one. It's okay.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go open it.
Open it. Open it.
Okay, can I go first? So wait, let's put our arm in to guess what it is. Close your eyes, close your eyes.
So we have this. No! Now we have to show it first. So guys, this is what it looks like.
Yeah, in the back. Also, it's purple.
And we have a brand new bookmark.
Bookmark.
Cute. It's cute.
Okay, I'm gonna open this actually.
Okay, and we have an eraser and a rubber band that's so big. A rubber band that's so big.
We open it.
Okay. Let me do it.
And what did we got? Let's see what that does.
Okay, here's the card. You got dark purple and pink and purple.
Okay, but
We have two.
but what did I see? What do I see blue?
It's okay. We have dark purple and we have.
Wait, let's see the back.
It says cute.
This is
Cute. Okay, you wanna play? Yeah, let's go play for a second. No, let's go get this.
Can I show you something? Ella, go. It's cute. I have to use it on the couch.
Brian. No, I will jump through this. I will.
Kakababy na tayo.
Okay.
It is.
No, I don't want to. You forgot the video.
Possible that.
Say bye. Yeah.
But guys,
Bye-bye.
we got this.
Ay, selfie niyo, selfie.
Kaya, siguro yan.
Dito ka lang. Dito ka.
Opo, Mami Oli.
Okay, sandali lang ako.
Oh. Ay, ni Robert. Pogi. Tindang animalya. Pong. Sasti pong. Pagong. Let's do this. Tindang animalya. Pagawa po. Pabagit po. Tindang animalya. Let's do this. Tindang animalya. Let's do this. Tindang animalya. Let's do this. Tindang animalya.
Sinakto mo ba dito sa paglato ko, ha? Talaga pag gusto mo ko kapalya? I don't care. Dapat hindi ka nakikipag-away because it will reflect bad on my family. Isa ka pa eh. Dapat inaalagaan mo kung pinabayaan mo.
Anak, umiiyak. Basta magsuot ka sa kaklase mo, ha? Para wala ng problema. Okay?
Ang ganda, di ba? Oh my gosh! Hindi ko akalain na magiging misis ko isapo na ako. Sumisigawan ba to? Aminin to.
Hindi ba office hours pa? Kasi back to work. Ibang klase ka rin, no? Pati kapatid ko, naloko ko para aluhin ka ng pasan.
Wala ka nang problema.
Dapat tinanggap mo na lang offer ko. Bibigyan kita ng sustento, tapos magpakalayo-layo ka na.
Mas maganda kasi yung counter offer niya yung daddy mo.
And that includes marrying Edward. Ipagpasayo mo sa kanyang responsibilidad sa bata.
Ano bang feeling mo? Ikaw lang may choice dito.
Hindi ko ba nakakap sa kapatid ko? Habang buhay mo na rin siya lulukuhin.
Wow! Magsalita ka naman.
Bakit tinatakot mo yung pagkakamali ko? Aminin ko na masasawa ko eh. Dahil ikaw dahil sa ginawa mo, dinagdagan mo lang ang kasalanan natin.
Sa ginawa ko, niligtas ka sa asawa ko. Kaya ako tumayag na magpakasal kay Edward. Dahil gusto ko na bigyan na itong kampo ang anak mo. Kasi Jesus wag kasi kami sa Diyos. Bakit mo naman nagpasalamat ka nila? Kasi hindi ka malalayo sa anak natin. wala.
Okay.
Nalihinala.
Sa settlement pala niya trabaho niya.